Did you know that French tip nails are one of the most requested nail styles worldwide? Have you ever tried an at-home nail kit? Today, I'm not only testing out the 160-piece French tip nail set from BTARTBOX, but I'll also be adding my own nail art ideas to make it truly unique. So let's dive right in. Hey, I'm Shelby, and this is Shelby's Vibe, your safe corner for lifestyle, cozy chaos, and stuff that just makes anxiety chill out. Let's vibe. And in today's video, I'll be testing out the 160-piece French tip nail set from BTARTBOX. A huge thank you to BTARTBOX for sending over this product for me to try. I've been wanting to try one of their new at-home nail kit that promises salon quality results. Plus, they already had me at the purple French tips. I will also leave links to all products used in today's video in the description box below, as well as my affiliate link and discount code. So let's dive in and see how it performs. Now let's talk about the common challenges we face with doing our nails at home. One of the biggest challenges I face with doing my nails at home is dealing with damaged and weak nails. Another issue is not always knowing exactly how I want my nails done, which can be frustrating. But the 160-piece French tip nail set from BTARTBOX has been a saving grace. It allows me to get my nails done on a budget in a short amount of time, and I love the flexibility it offers. I can add my own touches and be as creative as I want. As you can see, it comes with 160 pieces in a variety of beautiful purple shades. To complete the application, I'll be using the French Protecting X-Coat Tips Duo Kit. I'll walk you through the application process, sharing some tips and tricks along the way to ensure you get the best results.
Everybody here wanna see what I've got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me. I'm the star in this year. I just love the attention. Did I mention that I love the attention? Did I mention? Like this. See them staring at me. They just wanna be me. See them staring at, see them staring at, see them staring at me. Hands off my body. Yeah, you can look but never touch. Do you think you got a shot with me? I think you're trying just too much. Keep your focus on me, snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what I got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see, that's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me, focus on. Keep your focus on me, focus on. Keep your focus on me.
Now let's see the final result. I'm honestly surprised by how easy it was to achieve this look. The nails fit perfectly, and the French Protecting Duo Kit made the application process smooth. I didn't expect them to look this good, especially since I did them myself at home. So, how did this nail set measure up? Overall, my experience with the 160-piece French tip nail set from BTARTBOX has been positive. The set is user-friendly, and the nails look fantastic with a variety of beautiful purple shades. While it doesn't include adhesive tabs, using it with the French Protecting Duo Kit made the application process smooth. I would definitely recommend it to anyone wanting to try an at-home French tip manicure. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this nail set or have any favorite nail products and techniques to share.
Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me.
Thanks for hanging with me in Shelby's Vibe. If you needed this today as much as I did, I'm glad you're here. Subscribe for more calm, cozy, happy girl energy. And remember, take a deep breath. You've got this. See you next time.